In this video, I'm going to show you how to print barcodes in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is set up your barcodes. If you don't know how to do this, I do have a separate video and you can go watch that first. But essentially, you have to enable these inside Edit, Preferences, and basically go to Items and Inventory, Company Preferences, Advanced Inventory Settings, and you can find barcodes over here, and of course then you have to add it to your items as well, etc. That's the first thing you have to do. Then of course when you've set up your printer as well, you want to go and print your barcodes. Now the best way would be to just go to File, top left, you want to go to where it says Print Forms, hover over it, and you want to go and click on Labels. Inside Labels, you want to click on Item Barcodes, and of course you can just select the item barcodes you want to print. I'm going to do all items, and I'm going to click on over here where it says OK. Now whenever you do this, it's going to prompt you to select your printer. I'm going to select this one for example, and I'm going to click on Print. Now that's basically all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.